Hello, my dear class of 7th standard. Today I shall be giving the notes on chapter number 4, angles and pairs of angles. Questions from the practice set number 15. First one, observe the figure and complete the table for angle AWB. Second one, name the pairs of adjacent angles in the figure below. Question number 3 is, are the following pairs adjacent angles? If not, state the reason. Next is practice set number 16. First question, the measure of some angles are given below. Write the measures of their complementary angles. First one 40 degree, second 63 degree, third 45 degree, fourth 55 degree, fifth 20 degree, sixth 90 degree, and seventh one is x degree, and so on. Question 2, y minus 20 degree and y plus 30 degree are the measure of complementary angles. Find the measure of each angle. Next, we are going to solve the questions from practice set number 17. First one, write the measure of the supplements of the angles given below. First angle is 15 degree. Second angle is 85 degree. Third, 120 degree. Fourth, 37 degree. Fifth one, 108. Sixth one, 0 degree. Seventh one, 8 degree, and so on. Question 2, the measure of some angles are given below. Use them to make pairs of complementary and supplementary angles. Question number 3, in XYZ triangle XYZ, major angle Y is equal to 90 degree. What kind of a pair do X and angle Z make? Fourth one, the difference between the measures of the two angles of a complementary pair is 40 degree. Find the measures of the two angles. Question 5, a rectangle PTNM is a rectangle. Write the names of the pairs of supplementary angles. Question 6, if major angle A is equal to 70 degree, what is the measures of the supplement or the complement of angle A? Seventh, if angle A and angle B are supplementary angles and major angle B is equal to x plus 20 degree, then what would be major angle A? Next, we will solve the questions from practice set number 18. First one, name the pairs of opposite rays in the figure alongside. Second one, are the ray PM and PT opposite rays? Give reason for your answer. Now see the exercise number 19, that is practice set number 19. First one, draw the pairs of angles as described below. First one is complementary angle that are not adjacent. Second one, angles in a linear pair which are not supplementary. Third one, complementary angles that do not form a linear pair. Fourth one, adjacent angles which are not in a linear pair. Fifth, angles which are neither complementary nor adjacent. Sixth one, angles in a linear pair which are complementary. The practice number 20, first question, line AC and BD intersect at the point P. Major angle APD is equal to 47 degree. Find the measures of angle APB, BPC and CPD. Question number second from the exercise 20, line PQ and RS intersect at the point M. Major angle PMR is equal to x degree. What are the measures of PMS and angle SMQ and QMR? स्टूडेंट्स, पेज नंबर 31 पर आपको ये टेबल दिया गया है, आपको इसे फिल करना है. प्रैक्टिस सेट नंबर 21 का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, एंगल ACD इज एन एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑफ triangle ABC. The measures of angle A and angle B are equal. If measure of angle ACD is equal to 140 degree, find the measures of the angle A and B. Second question है, using the measures of angles given in the figure alongside, find the measure of the remaining three angles. Question number third, in the isosceles triangle ABC, angle A and angle B are equal. Angle ACD is an exterior angle of a triangle ABC. The measure of angle ACB and ACD are 3x minus 17 degree and 8x plus 10 degree respectively. Find the measure of angle ACB and ACD. Do share this video with your classmate too, so that they can complete their homework on time.